next we have Marcia. Now, as you know, there is, a whole lot of controversy that is going on where Marcia is concerned. But she is victorious today, and she's speaking out about it. She's saying that whatever it is that she has to say, she will say it when everyone is done talking, because she knows that she has the last laugh, I should say. And so Marcia is speaking out, and she's happy about the situation. She said that she's not ashamed of what happened, and she's happy that she's able to see, the person for who she is. So go ahead and go catch the video. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Go and hit the subscribe button. It's not hard. And like up the video. Have yourselves a wonderful day. Thank you for joining us here on The Mix.
Arlene, do you know? Did you know that I work with the Lord? And the Lord is always on my side? Do you know that? Jennifer, do you know that I'm a gifted girl? Do you know that I've been writing up on my page, no weapon formed against me shall prosper, and every tongue rise against me condemn? Do you know that I'm a blessed girl? Do you know that Jesus, none of my enemy them can't put me to shame? Do you know that? Do you know that? Do you know the Bible is written, me can't get to shame, no my enemy them can't put me to shame? No! You see, I know everything I tell you, because I've been suspecting you from a long time, for a few months now. So I didn't tell you nothing, really, much. I just suggest something to you. And whether court paper is there, court paper is there, make it handy. I have the victory, hallelujah. My enemy don't have nothing on me. I need more people on my page before me start shut. Although I don't hold nobody in obligation. But just figure the people in my understanding, because I don't want my supporters them to worry about me. And no shame can't come down upon me. The person who is speaking, I him shame I come down upon, not me. And I don't have nothing to worry about. When the live reach 500-600, me want view too, and me want make money too. And them alone for company and page can get hold of high view and make money. It's a time junk time the ras fool. I'm me the content creator. I'm me who know to chastise. And I'm me of the ending of the story. I'm me of the ending of the story. And that you know I hear. So in no matter what I want to see, as I said before, the table, or when the table turn, laugh at them, yes, Marcia. People, when I tell you, say, God know what he's doing. Father God, I want to thank you for your grace and mercy, your favor over my life. When I tell you, so the flip, this a table turn till it turn into sinking table. It turn into sinking table. You don't have nothing by me. You and the court paper ass lucky. You don't have nothing on me. And this ain't no shame and nothing. Me never really want certain things get out on social media. But this what happened, have nothing to do with me. You understand? This ain't no shame. But thank you very much, Arlene and Jennifer. You did a very nice job. But I'm gonna let you tell you now. Me defeat you again. Me beat you again. What the devil made for good, for bad, it turned out to be good. What the devil made for bad for me, it slap him right in his face. Slap him right back in his face. That's why I can't sit down with confident, honey, and just laugh at you. That's why I can't sit down and laugh at you. Come in and attack. What, you made a big mistake, honey. You made a big mistake. What the devil, because me and you wasn't talking for a little while. About it's so you me not analyze you. Ask marry them. So information where you tell, me not tell. I don't tell. So I'm gonna let you know, Harleen and Jennifer, we no lose again. Whatever information not dash out on social media, and whatever information you go Google and look up, it's a we no lose again. And I'm not speaking until me get up all 600 people. But sorry, sir, Facebook wasn't on. Oh, no, sir. I'm going to make a short video. Yes, my dear. I am going to make a short video. Oh, I'm going to make a short video. Oh, no. I'm going to make a short video. I'm going to say, breaking news, breaking news. Must you have the end of the story? Come and hear about the court situation. Breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. That's why I could eat me nice like a crab like them. Cause I wasn't paying no rent, honey. Yes, me did. That's why I was fabulous. Could buy shopping and do what I want to do. Welcome to America. No rent pay. No rent pay. That's why I could eat all the lovely crab leg. Go wherever I want to go and eat what I want to eat and go to restaurant with my own money. You know why hear scoop? When me do the recording, you know listen to it first. And then me come back live. Them no have nothing for me. Nothing at all for me. You have to rewind and come again. Yes, me dear. You have to rewind and come again. You no loss. Somebody laugh. Me I beg gonna do. For the people who believe in me, Marcia Campbell, I believe say me have a come up with a good explanation. You not give a laughing sign for me. I make the devil know so them lose again. Give a good laughing sign there for me. Give a good laughing sign there for me. For all the people who believe in a sister Evabless, I know say it's not that I have to, because the devil don't have nothing over me. And if I chat everything, me can chat this. Laugh off of the enemy for me there. Because this is a big laughing sign. You understand? Laugh off of them. Laugh off of them. Let me go get some box from whatever. Call my box are too heavy. Cause the UPS truck gone already. Don't make no sense. It all just sit down in here. Let me see if the person ship out something for me. Hold on. on me. So all I have to do is rejoice, nothing on me. When you hear the full story, you will hear. Oh no haters, roll in our no glory. Make no money. Cause no sooner make nothing for me. So make no money. Make no money, cause no go and shame. Make no money. Make no money. Make no money. Uno will never have nothing for me. Me a big deal. Uno will never have nothing for me. Me a big deal. I may wanna come. I may wanna come to. I may content. Uno don't have nothing for me. Nada, 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 nothing on me. Me say, uno content will run out. Because after me talk, this I want to have nothing more to get.